Okay, so the next project that we're going to be working on is a graphic design illustration. Anytime that you are going into some type of graphic design or you're taking a class, it's going to start by drawing and doing all of this by hand rather than using a computer. A computer doesn't make it to where things are easier. It actually does the opposite. It makes it harder, okay? Because you have new things to learn how to do as opposed to you already know how to hold a pencil and draw with a pencil and that kind of thing. So these are the objectives for this project. You need to select a quote that is at least 5 words long, okay? And let me make this bigger. Okay, you need to select a quote that is at least 5 words long. You need to include 3 types of font. Okay, so you can see 3 over here. You need to use 3 sizes of font. And then you need to include a design that is outside of the font. With this one, they have leaves and dots and things like that. I am going to show you, and this can be something that is, motivational, like this one, or it could be something that's funny, like this one, where it's like, my brain has too many tabs open. Okay, so it needs to be something that's school appropriate, but you can decide if it is, motivational. You can do anything, but not everything. So you're picking what you want to do. And so that's what you should be doing for your virtual day is selecting 4 quotes. Okay, you are picking 4, and this needs to be something that you actually want to do. You are spending time creating this, so why would you want to pick something that you don't like? Okay, some people just go through and they say, I am picking the first 4 things that I find. And then they're all irritated because we're spending 2 more weeks on this and they don't like what they picked. Okay, so really look. It does not need to be all nice and pretty like these are already. It can be something you find and you type into the Google slide. Okay, or it can be something you screenshot and you insert 4 different things into that Google slide. Okay, what we're going to be doing after that is talking about layouts. And so you can see the layout on this one, okay, on how they started with these boxes. And so I have the same kind of boxes for you in lots of different sizes that we will be like boxing out certain areas. And so you could think about that as well. What do you want this to, what do you want it to look like? How do you want to set it up? But I have lots of these things that will help you do that, okay? So this is what you are going to do with your virtual time coming up, is create those layouts, or not layouts, figure out what quotes you want to have, what you want to do, okay? And again, make it something you want to do because we are putting lots of time into this, okay? And these could look really cool if you try, right? If you never try, you'll never know. And that seems to be half my battle with some of the kids is just give it a shot. You might be so much better than you even think you would be. Okay, and I'm going to help you along the way with those layouts.